Pioneer AVH-2300NEX multimedia DVD receiver with 7. Pioneer NEX or networked entertainment experience line of receivers feature an innovative and powerful new user interface which is responsive and highly customizable. The NEX models are designed especially for today's smartphone-driven lifestyle. The AVH-2300NEX features Apple Carplay, the smarter, safer and more fun way to use your iPhone in the car. Apple Carplay gives iPhone users an incredibly intuitive way to make calls, use maps, listen to music, and access messages with just a word or a touch. Digital multimedia video receiver with 7W VGA display, Apple Carplay, Android Auto, built-in Bluetooth, Sirius XM Ready and a Radio Mode Plus. Apple Carplay compatible, Android Auto compatible. Up Radio Mode Plus compatible. Spotify, works with Pandora, Sirius XM Ready. Hands-free calling and audio streaming. All you do is plug in the lightning cable, and virtually all of the capabilities of the iPhone are right there on the big beautiful screen. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price. https://amzn.to/2mgxkcj